at dinner time on the weekend when you're looking all good, you think we're waiting for creme brulee? No, we're looking at you like, oh, I can't wait to take you home. I'm gonna give it to you. Right? That's like early in the relationship though. Because later in the relationship, it's better to do it before you leave. Especially on Friday, you worked all week, you're tired, right? And then if you eat too much, you're TFTF. Too full to fuck. Right? Usually the girls don't want to fuck, they're all bloated. I'm gassy, I don't want to do it. Fucking asparagus got me all gassy.